A very pleasant morning to my dear student. Today we will do the next part of the chapter Lifeline of National Economy. Today we will discuss about communication. I think you know the meaning of communication. Communication means to communicate our ideas, to exchange our views or opinion. My dear student, there are different means of communication and the pace of changes that has been rapid in modern time. For the long distances, communication is far easier without the physical movement of communicator or the receiver. There are two types of communication, personal communication and mass communication. Personal means that is for the personal or the individual use, while the mass communication that is at the mass level, for example, radio, press, film, etc. My dear student, there are major means of communication in our country, and Indian Postal Network is the largest network in the world because Indian Postal Network handles parcel as well as personal written communication. Here are different type of mail. For example, the first class mail that involve cards and envelope. Even airlifted, that is between the station, covered both air and land. Now the second class mail that include books, packets, registered newspaper and periodical. That carried by the surface mail covering the land and the water transport. So to facilitate that quick service, quick delivery of the mails in large towns as well as in cities, 6 channels have been introduced in our country. And these channels are Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk mail channel and periodical channel, etc. Dear student, India is having one of the largest telecom network in Asia that exclude urban places, more than 2/3 of the villages of our country, and that covered with the STD, that is called subscriber trunk dialing, that is telephonic facility. Now the mass communication. Mass communication provide the entertainment, create awareness among the people about the various national programs and the policies, and mass communication include radio, television, newspaper, etc. All India Radio, that is known as Akashvani, broadcast a variety of programs in national, regional and local languages for various categories of the people that spread over the different part of the country. Even in television, we are having Doordarshan, that is National Television Channel of India, and this is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. It broadcasts a variety of programs from entertainment, education to sports for people of different age group. Even India publishes a large number of newspaper and periodical annually, and that is of different types depending upon periodicity, and newspapers are published in our country 100 languages and dialect. Dear student, India is the largest producer of features film in the world. It also produces short films, video features, film, video short film, etc. The Central Board of Film Certification is the authority to certify both Indian and foreign films. I think you have got the concept of communication. Thank you and have a nice day.